In this video, I'll show you how to add a background shadow to your objects in Blender's Compositor to make your objects pop out from the background. So this is the before and after, so you can see how adding this little shadow kind of behind the object really makes it pop out from the background. And you can also change the color of the background so it doesn't just have to be black, so I'll show you how to do that as well in this video. So in this video, I'll be using the project files from my cute robot tutorial series. If you want to check out that tutorial series and learn how to create this, link is in the description. And so this tutorial will work in both Eevee and cycles. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the render properties and we need to open up the film tab and we need to turn on the transparent button. So let's click on render and render the image. So here's the image rendered out. So now what we're going to do is click over here to go to Blender's compositing tab, and you want to click on the use nodes button and also make sure the backdrop is enabled. Now what you can do is hold down the Control and Shift key at the same time, and then you can select a node. And so when you Control Shift and select the same node, it's going to go through all the different sockets. So we have the image socket, but if you Control Shift and select it a second time, we have an alpha socket. And so this is showing us a black and white image of where it's transparent. So we're going to use this to create a mask, and we're going to blur it and stick it behind our other image. So what we want to do is go to the add menu and we want to search for a blur node. So what we want to do is take the alpha and we want to put the alpha into the image, and then let's Control Shift select the blur to preview it, and now I'm going to turn the size up. So what I can do is click down and drag to select both of these, and then I could type in like 100 for example. I think 100 looks pretty good. So we now have a blurred image, and so now I want to stick it into the background. So what I'm going to do is search for an alpha over node, and I'm going to drop the alpha over node right here, and the blur is going to go into the factor. Now the factor value is going to determine what part of the image is going to be the top one and what part of the image is going to be the bottom one. Now the bottom image on the alpha over is going to be the color for the shadow. So let's take the image and we're just going to make it fully black. And then here on the top image, that is going to be whatever your background is going to be. So you could just have it a plain color like I'm going to do. You could just make it like a gray color. You could also add any image texture. So if you search for like an image, you could open up an image texture and plug that image texture in the background. Really in this socket, just add whatever you want for the background. So now we have the background with the blur, but now what I want to do is mix in the original image. So we're going to click on this alpha over and we're going to hit Shift D to duplicate it, and we're going to drop it down here, and I'm just going to Control Shift select the alpha over to preview it, and then I can just drag the alpha over back here, so the compositing and the viewer are both going into the alpha over. So now what we want to do is make sure that our original rendered image here, this image, we want to make sure that is going into the bottom alpha over, and then here for our background we can put this into the top image in the alpha over. And now you can see we have this nice shadow in the background. Now if I select the alpha over node, I can press the M key to mute the node, so you can really see what that background shadow is doing. So it's really popping the character out from the background and just making it stand out. And then what you can also do is change the color of it. So if you didn't want it to be black, you could instead make it like white. And now you can see it's really standing out from the background. It kind of has like a nice glow effect. Or you could also just make it like a different color, like you could make it a blue color or something. And then the other thing which you can of course do is change the blur. So if I click and then drag down and then drag back and forth here on the blur, I could make it a really small blur. So there's just a tiny little bit of blur, or I could make it like really large, make it like 200 or 300. And now there's just a nice dark shadow behind the robot. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching. And if you'd like to learn more about compositing in Blender, you can check out my compositing for beginners tutorial. Link to that is in the description. So I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching.